Old Jack here. So, exercise fans, skipping rope or running? Which one do you pick? Heard a lot of stuff lately, and in the past, about the benefits of skipping rope, benefits of running, sprinting, versus double unders, all that kind of stuff. I mean, the list goes on and on. You know what? I really don't know. Some researchers say that skipping 3 minutes of rope is equivalent to, I don't know, like a mile or something like that of running. Some will dispute that. I don't know all the science that's behind it, but all I do know is that both of them work. There's a lot of factors that come into play. Well, where are you living? Are you in a Navy and you're on a ship? Are you in a confined area where you don't have a lot of space? Maybe you're in a place where it isn't safe to run, but you gotta get your game on anyway that morning, right? Get your cardio in. Now, I started skipping rope when I was about, I don't know, something like 15 years old. Yeah, my mother had to teach me so I could become a kickboxer. Well, I've been skipping rope, oh God, now, I guess about 40 something years. So I said, well, all I know is I feel good when I'm doing it. I feel well worked out when I'm done. So, I'll go back to the original question. What are you gonna pick? Well, I haven't worried too much about all the research. I just go by how well I'm trained. So I do both. Now, this morning, I'm gonna be skipping about 5 rounds of rope. And when I get done, swallow a little water, and then I'm gonna go out for a bunch of 80-yard hill sprints. So I'm not really too worried about the argument of which is better. Can't choose both. If you have to pick one based on your situation, your circumstances at the time, well, take your pick. Running, personally, I like running in more adverse conditions. I like running in the rain. I like running in the snow. I like running in the heat. I like running in the ice cold. Doesn't matter. Well, that was 3 minutes. So, the benefits abound. Both running, both skipping rope. Don't worry about the research and deciding which one to choose. You do them both. You get her done. Old Jack out, hang tough.